Guys, be sure to watch this 12-minute video of me putting together this beautiful design of 36 ivory colored roses. Hello everybody, this is Monty with Flowers by the Bunch. Today we are going to work on an arrangement of all roses. This is for a client who ordered an arrangement with all ivory colored roses, and so today we are working with a new variety that I have never worked with before. This is called Sandcastle, and Sandcastle is a more ivory variety. So if you're ever looking for a pretty ivory colored rose, this is the rose for you. We actually ordered these from Budsy, which is a floral direct company where we order flowers in bulk and they are shipped directly to us from the growers. And so today we're going to work with Sandcastle, which is an ivory bloom. They brought us this pretty gold colored container. It's just a compote container. It is made out of metal, and so what I have done is I have placed a liner in the container. The liner is just a small bowl. This is a plastic bowl I bought from our local grocery store. They had them on clearance, 35 cents for these little bowls, which work absolutely perfect for a liner. And I have placed about 2/3 of a block of fresh floral foam right down into this bowl, and then we've taped in that foam. Now I am just placing that right down into our container, our compote container. I'm going to start out designing with some eucalyptus. So I have some parvifolia eucalyptus, which that's one stem of euc. That's crazy, isn't it? I'm going to use my floral knife and I am going to cut my eucalyptus into smaller stems, and I am just going to tuck them right into our container and just go all the way around in that fresh floral foam. So I'm going to turn my container and I am going to be sure to add this eucalyptus all the way through. Now you can absolutely add more at the end, and you'll see me do that, but right now I'm just starting out by adding this greenery kind of all the way through to give us a little bit of, I don't know, just to give us that movement and that whimsy. It's going to help me when I'm just adding these pretty roses. This is one of the easier designs you'll ever do. Anything that's just one type of flower, to me, is so easy, so much easier than average. Okay, so there's our greenery all the way around. This again is parvifolia eucalyptus. I have one more stem that I cut off. Tuck that right in the center. I'm going to set my eucalyptus to the side and we will grab it if we need it. Next we're going to come in with our roses. So again, these are called Sandcastle. They're an ivory colored bloom. I am going to leave some of the greenery on that stem. I have wired all these blooms. So what we're going to do is just work them into this design. I am going to, she wants it really full of roses, so that's exactly what we're going to do. We're just going to take our blooms. Again, I'm leaving some of the greenery on the flowers. I find if you leave the greenery on the flowers, it helps to fill in. You don't have to use so much greenery throughout the design, and it didn't cost you any extra money. So I think if the foliage is pretty on the roses, leave it on them. Again, I am just taking these roses and I am going all the way around that center bloom. Turning my container. And you can see how my liner is kind of rocking back and forth, so you kind of have to hold that liner to press that rose down into that foam. And you'll just keep adding until you get it as full as you need the design to be. And again, she just wanted a very full design. She didn't want the greenery to overtake the design. She wanted more roses than anything else. And so we're just going to be sure to make it a very full arrangement. And you'll just keep turning that design and poking those roses right down into any empty spaces you have in your arrangement. Look how pretty that is already. It's so pretty. Now I know that often it's hard to find a really pretty ivory colored rose. I always tell brides that white is always, there are shades of white. I know that sounds so funny, but no white rose is ever, I think the truest white that I have found is a Playa Blanca variety. And so when someone says ivory, I've always had a hard time finding an ivory rose that wasn't really more green. And this is the truest ivory rose that I believe that I have ever worked with. It is a beautiful ivory color, and you can actually see the difference between my white shirt and this ivory colored rose. The nice part about this rose also is it's not a pink. It is more a true ivory. It doesn't really have that pink color that some of the roses have. That when in the past, when I've wanted an ivory rose, that rose often had more of a pink tone to them, and these really don't. They really are a true ivory rose, which is kind of neat. So pretty, so simple. Now this is one of those designs where you could certainly add some pretty filler flower to it if you wanted to. She really just wanted it very simplistic with just beautiful ivory colored roses. And so that's exactly what we're doing here. I do love the fact that she allowed me to put the eucalyptus in, because I think the eucalyptus makes a huge difference. I do love the movement of the eucalyptus. Now we ordered 95% of all of our flowers from Budsy, and so they carry the majority of flowers that I need. Roses and hydrangeas, carnations and daisies, all your regular traditional stuff, tulips and ranunculus and anemones and all the things. I have really not ever had many issues with getting what I needed. We even the other day got protea, so they are able to provide most every flower that I've ever needed. And often if I've worked with a bride and they wanted a particular flower and I called them and I couldn't get my hands on the flower, they will help me figure out what to substitute and help me with those things. And so I have loved the fact that Budsy has always been willing to help me in any way. There is our beautiful all rose design. So very simple and so beautiful. Again, this is what I would call a true ivory colored rose. It is called Sand Castle. If you have questions about Budsy and would love a contact phone number, let me know. I would love to help you out with that. Guys, thank you so much for being here. If you have any questions about how we do things here at Flowers by the Bunch, you can always ask. I would love to answer your questions. Do me a great big favor. Hit that thumbs up button down below if you found this video useful, and be sure to hit that subscribe button right down below. Guys, I hope you have an amazing day and we will see you soon. Thanks, guys.